Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of C programming language. We are going to learn here about switch case, how switch case works. First of all, we have defined some values here, some variables with a equals to 9, b equals to 9.0 and c equals to a. Okay, in switch we have only integer or character values. We can keep only integer or character values. We cannot use float in the switch expression. Okay, this is for the difference between if and switch. Both works in the same way, but switch is the faster form. Like switch, we have to keep here the expression or the condition that if gets true, then that case will be executed. Like in switch, we have put the condition here. Now in case we will check if the condition is true, then the statement will be executed. Okay, I am in first case and we can have many cases, as many as we want. And in second case there is a default statement at last which gets executed if there is no expression is true. Okay, sorry, we don't have any case here, only default. And the default statement we can we have default. Okay, so close the bracket. We have a get switch here. Compile it. 2 warnings, now running. Okay, now running. I am in second case and I am in default. So this is where switch case works. Like if we keep here 9 and then keep here 8, now running. I am in first case, I am in second case and I am in default. Means that if this statement case 9 gets true, then it will be executed, as well as all the cases after that with default will be executed. Okay, but if we want that only case 9 gets executed and not any other case, then we have to use a break. It will break out from the expression where our from the statement where our expression is getting true, like this one. Now run it and I am in first case because our first statement is true only. Okay, this is how switch case works with break. And without break, we have seen that any case that falls after the true case, every case will be executed. Okay, now let's see, can we put here character value? Yeah, we can have a character value too, like this. D. Now check it. I mean first case, it is again executed because character is a valid expression. But if we put b and keep it here like 9.0 and 8.0. Now run it. We have 4 errors. What the error says, switch selection expression must be of integral type, right? Means it can be integer or a character but not a float. Now others are just constant expression required constant, because all the cases have a float value, that's why the other errors are here. Okay, so this is how our switch case with break works. Now remove this and this one. Okay, so we will see which are the expressions that are going to be right in this switch. We can have like remove this float. Now we have seen that float doesn't work here, so remove it. Now we can have like a plus b. It will work for every switch case. Like now run it. I mean first case it is getting executed. Okay, so this is a valid expression. We can have like this one too, switch plus 45. Okay, this is also a valid expression. Run it. I'm in default because both the cases are false here. Yes, the default statement will work when all the cases fails. All the cases fails. Here all the cases are failing, so default statement is getting executed. We can have or not have a default statement in a switch case, but we should write a default so that we can check whether our cases are false or true. If all the cases are false, then default will be executed, else the case will be executed. Okay, also we can have like the expression like if greater than 7 and then b less than 9, like this we can have this expression as well. I mean if switch is working right. Now what can be a valid expression in switch we have seen. Now let's see what can be a valid expression and cannot be a valid expression in case. So we have seen that any numeric value or any character is going to be executed here is a valid expression, but in case we can have only numeric value as well as we can have a character value too. Okay, we have seen it earlier, but we can have 9 plus 8 as a valid expression here, like a, and right here 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, it is also a valid expression. Okay, sorry, this was the duplicate. Now it will run. I am in first case. Okay, so 3 plus 6 is working, but we cannot have a plus b as the expression. We can have here a plus b, but we cannot have in case a plus b. Running one error, constant expression is required. As we can see in the message, constant expression required. Okay, so variables are not allowed in case, but in switch we can have a variable expression. In case we must have a constant expression. Okay, so that's it for switch case. Thank you for watching the video.